Cleaning System, CTCS. The condenser tube cleaning systems of Jungwoo Industrial Machine has the simple operating method of a closed ball recirculating loop. The sponge balls put into the ball collector go to a condenser through a ball recirculation pump and pass through a condenser tube by the flow of main cooling water. Since the diameter of a sponge is 1 to 2 millimeters bigger than the inner diameter of a condenser tubes, the sponge balls clean foreign substances in a condenser tube passing through the tube. After that, those balls are put into the front end of a condenser again through a ball strainer. This is a pump skid. Fixed screen ball collector. It is used to store or to replace sponge balls. Ball recirculation pump and motor. It is used to circulate and collect sponge balls with a fluid. Manual valve at the front end of ball collector. It is used to cut off a fluid when draining the fluid in a ball collector. Ball collector MOV. It is used as a control valve to control the circulation and collection of sponge balls. Manual valve at the rear end of ball collector. It is used to cut off a fluid when draining the fluid in a ball collector. Ball collector vent valve. It is used to remove the air when draining or filling the fluid in a ball collector. Ball collector drain valve. It is used to drain the fluid in a ball collector. Ball injection nozzle. It is used to make sponge balls to be distributed to enter into the front end of a heat exchanger. Ball strainer. It is used to filter out the sponge balls passed through a condenser tube from main cooling water and send those balls back to a ball collector. Ball strainer screen actuator. It is used to activate the open-close operation of a ball strainer. Ball strainer outlet cutoff valve. It is used to cut off the fluid at the outlet of a ball strainer.